Hello dear students, how are you? This is teacher Ali. My dear, today we are going to learn about function and inverse function. What is a function, how to solve a function, and how to find the inverse of a function. I will solve first of all two examples of function. After that, we will start inverse function. Be with me and concentrate, try to learn. Hope you will enjoy the lesson. Let's start. There is a function f of x. The first example, f of x equal 3x plus 2 over 4. This is a function, my dear. F of x mean sometime it is given f of x, sometime given g of x, sometime h of x. So this is a function, my dear. Understand? We are going to find f of minus 6. Function is given, we are going to find the value of minus 6. Let's start solving f of minus 6. What does it mean? At the place of x we will write minus 6. In the function, anywhere you will see there is x, put minus 6. So 3 into minus 6 plus 2 over 4. We are going to solve now. 3 multiply 6 equal minus 18 plus 2 over 4. So minus 18 plus 2, signs are different, we will subtract. 18 minus 2 equals 16. So minus 16 over 4, that is equal minus 16 divided by 4 equal minus 4. So f of minus 6 equal minus 4. This is the value of the function. Understand, my dear? Let's see one more question. Question number 2. There is given a function. They said if f of x equal 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, then write the following in simplest form. Write the following in form. What we are going to write in simplest form? F of x over 4 plus 1. We have to find the value of f of x over 4 plus 1 over plus 1. So for what is our function? F of x equal to x plus 1. This is our function which is given. So according to this function we will find the value of this. What does it mean? F of x over 4 plus 1. Anywhere you will see there is a x, at the place of x put x over 4 plus 1. So to at the place of x, what we will put? The value x over 4 plus 1, and this one is given, that is extra. Understand, my dear? Now 2 is multiplying with this, so 2 multiply x over 4 plus 2 multiply 1 2, and this plus will come down. Clear, my dear? So 2 we have up, so we can divide, both is divisible. 2 divide 2 is 1, so 1 multiply x divide by 4 divided by 2 2, mean 4 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2, so I divided by 2, plus 2 plus 1 equal 3. This is the simplest form of f of x over 4 plus 1. Understand, my dear? This is a simple function. Now I will write a function and we will find the inverse of that function. We will find the inverse of that function. Let's see, my dear. My dear, there is given a function g of x equal 8x plus 7 whole over 5. Find the inverse of the above function. We are going to find the inverse. So there are some steps. You have to understand the steps. If you understand the steps, questions will be very easy. Okay, some students they confuse in for converting to inverse. So it is there is no any confusion. It is very easy, my dear. So let's see the first one. G of x, I told you, or f of x, nafsashi, there is no difference. So let's see what I am writing. Please concentrate. What I did, I replaced f of x or g of x with y. I replaced g of x with y. Mean at the place of g of x I wrote y. Understand? Second thing, let's see what I did. What I did here, I interchanged x with y. Where anywhere it was x, I wrote y. At the place of y, I wrote x. I did what? I'm writing here the points for you to understand. Interchanging x and y. X we changed with y. At the place of x we wrote y. At the place of y we wrote x. This is the first step. I mean the second step. Third step. Now in third step we will rearrange it and we will make the subject of the formula y. So for making the subject of formula y, whatever beside y we will take to other side. First of all, 5 is dividing. When 5 will go other side, divide will change into multiply. So 5 multiply x equal 8y plus 7. 5 went there, so here remaining what? 8y plus 7. Understand, my dear? So now this is what we have. 5x equal 8y plus 7. Now we will take 7 there because 7 is adding. We cannot take 8. Make sure, understand, please concentrate. 8 is multiplying with y only. If 8 is multiplying with y and 7, then we can take 8. Now only 7 because 7 is adding with 8 and y. So 7 is plus. When 7 will go there, other side, plus will change into minus. So 5x minus 7. What is remaining here? 8y. Okay, my dear. Now as I told you, we want to make the subject y. So anything beside y we will take to other side. Now 8 is multiplying with y. So I will take 8 there because multiply, when it will go to other side, it will change into divide. So 5x minus 7 divide 8. It is equal y. Or you can write y equal 5x minus 7 over 8. Understand? Now y we will replace here at here it was equal g of x, so it will be now at the end g inverse x, that is 5x minus 7 equal over 8. This is the inverse formula, this is the inverse function, this is the inverse function of the given function. Understand, my dear? Hope you understand this thing. If you want me to solve one more question, I can solve one more question for you to understand clearly. Let's see one more example. My dear, let's see this example. Another question. Function is given f of x equal 2 over 3 into 4x minus 5. We will find the inverse function. So for finding inverse, as I told you, there are some steps. The first step is we will replace f of x with y. So it will be equal y equal 2 over 3 into 4x minus 5. What I did, I replacing f of x with y. F of x I replace with y. Let's see the second step. This was the first step. Second step, let's see what I am going to do. What I did here, I interchanged x and y. At the place of y I wrote x, at the place of x I wrote y. So what is, I am going to write interchanging. X and y, interchanging x and y. So the third step, in the third step we will make y is the subject of the formula. So for making the subject of the formula, whatever beside y we will take to the side of x. First of all, 3 is dividing. 3 is dividing. When 3 will go there, it will multiply. So 3 multiply x equal 2 into 4y minus 5. So it is 3x. 2 is multiplying. When 2 will come here, it will divide. Equal 4y minus 5. Understand, my dear? So let's see here. We have subtracting. There is 5 is subtracting. 5 we will take there. So 5 is minus. When 5 will go there, it will change into plus. So 3x over 2 plus 5. What is remaining here? 4y. Okay, my dear? 4 is multiplying with y. Understand? So when 4 will go there, multiply will change into divide. Multiply will change into divide. So it will be 3x over 2 plus 5 whole. You can write here in two ways: divide by 4 equal y, or you can write 3x over 2 plus 5, because this 4 is multiplying. When it will come here, it will divide with whole, so it will divide with 4 equal y. Understand, my dear? So another, you can write it also here like that: y equal 3x over 2 plus 5 divide by 4. This is, and this y we will again replace with f of inverse x, that will be 3x over 2 plus 5 divided by 4. This is our inverse function. Hope my dear you have understand now. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment my dear. Okay, so for finding the value of inverse function, if it is given and this function, and after that they will say us find f inverse 2, find f inverse 2, then at the place of x we will put 2, anywhere you will see the x, put 2 and solve it. If you want me to solve for you, I will solve it. Same question. Let's see here. My dear, we are going to find the value of f inverse minus 2 by using this inverse function. We will put 2 at the place of x, at the place of x. So f inverse 2 equal bracket 3, at the place of x we will put what? 2 divided by 2 plus 5 divided by 4. So 3 multiply 2, 6, divide 2 plus 5. Just we are calculating. It's very simple. 6 divided by 2 equal 3 plus 5 divided by 4. 3 plus 5 equal 8 divided by 4. So 8 divided 4 equal 2. F inverse 2 equal 2. This is our answer. If they will give any function, inverse function, they will give us any value here, just this value we will put in at the place of x in the given function, and by using calculator we can calculate and you can find the answer. Understand my dear? Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Goodbye. Ma'assalam.